Every morning, thousands of food factories begin processing millions of eggs. Hidden behind every production line is a valuable resource, waste eggshells. Every egg is carefully transported through automated food-grade equipment. The production process begins with precision handling. Precision machines separate the edible egg from its shell within seconds. The food moves forward, while the shells begin a completely different journey. Before recycling begins, every visible contaminant must be removed. Only clean eggshell waste continues to the next stage. After inspection, the eggshells are collected in heavy-duty steel hoppers designed for bulk industrial handling.
The waste shells are now ready for recycling. Covered transport protects the material during delivery.
Collected eggshells are transported in bulk from food processing facilities to the recycling plant. The delivery truck is guided to the designated receiving area inside the recycling plant. Once correctly positioned, before unloading begins, the loaded truck passes over the factory weighbridge to record the shipment weight. After weighing, only clean and uncontaminated eggshells are accepted for recycling. After approval, the real transformation is ready to begin. After passing inspection, the eggshells are unloaded into the receiving system. The recycling journey officially begins. A controlled conveyor keeps material flowing smoothly. Consistent feeding improves cleaning efficiency. Industrial air systems remove dust before washing. This improves cleanliness and protects downstream equipment. Final manual inspection ensures only clean shells continue. Quality starts with careful sorting. Powerful washing removes food residue from every shell. Only thoroughly cleaned material can become a quality mineral additive. A final rinse prepares the shells for drying. Clean material is essential for high-quality recycling. Removing moisture before drying saves energy. The shells are now ready for controlled heating.
Controlled drying prepares the shells for size reduction. Dry material produces a better grinding result.
Every batch is tested before further processing. Only properly dried shells move to crushing.
Inside this massive eggshell recycling factory, waste eggshells are fed into a primary crusher to become cement additive.
The crushed shells are carefully inspected before fine grinding. Even tiny metal particles are removed to protect the machinery. A controlled feed rate keeps the grinding process stable. This ensures consistent particle size. Powerful grinding rollers reduce the shells into microscopic particles. The calcium-rich powder is now ready for classification.
Every particle is measured by airflow. Only the finest powder moves to the next stage. The cyclone efficiently separates powder from air. The mineral-rich material is now ready for final screening.
Precision screening guarantees a uniform powder. Any oversized particles are recycled back into production.
Every production batch is scientifically tested. Only approved material continues to packaging. The approved powder is stored under controlled conditions. This preserves quality until shipment.
Automatic filling ensures accurate packaging. Each bag receives the exact required weight.
After filling, the bags are inspected by the team before receiving their identification labels. The finished eggshell powder is now ready for shipment.
After packaging, the recycled mineral powder is ready for shipment. Its next destination is a modern cement manufacturing facility. The recycled powder now begins its second industrial life. It will become part of a modern cement production process. Every delivery is inspected before entering production. Quality control continues at every stage.
Clamps are tight on this side.
Same here. Go ahead and open the valve.
Only carefully controlled quantities are added. Accurate dosing ensures consistent cement quality. The recycled calcium-rich powder blends evenly with the raw mix. It now becomes part of the cement manufacturing process.
Fine grinding creates the final cement powder. The recycled eggshell material is now fully integrated.
Every production batch is laboratory tested.
Only approved cement is released for customers. The finished cement is automatically packaged. Each bag is checked before leaving the factory. The recycled eggshell material now serves a new purpose inside modern concrete. What began as the recycled eggshell material is now part of fresh construction concrete. It is transported while continuously mixed to maintain quality. The concrete is carefully placed into reinforced structural forms. Proper placement ensures long-term structural performance.
Keep it submerged until the bubbling stops. We need maximum density for this mix.
Finishing creates a uniform and durable surface. Accurate leveling is essential for structural quality. Proper curing is essential for concrete strength. It protects the structure during the early hardening stage. Every concrete batch is tested before final approval. Quality testing ensures reliable structural performance. The recycled material now forms part of a permanent structure. What was once discarded now supports modern construction. A simple waste material has found a valuable industrial purpose. The transformation is complete.
Every stage transformed waste into a valuable industrial resource. Nothing was wasted along the journey.
Modern recycling gives industrial byproducts a second purpose. Even eggshells can become part of future infrastructure. The journey never truly ends. Every new day brings another opportunity to recycle. What was once considered waste has become a valuable industrial resource. From food factories to construction,